Drizzy Drake? The Boy? Aubrey Graham? Yeah, I got him, Bun. There's no way I was missing out on these again. Yo, thank you for tuning in to The Amanda Show. But really, thank you all for choosing to watch these videos. I super appreciate it. Remember to subscribe to the channel though, because if you don't, then what is all of this even for? And join the Sneakerhead membership because you do get increased chances at winning sneakers, you get to use the member badges, you get to watch videos early, and honestly, never mind. But today we're talking about a pair of sneakers that I've been interested in for quite a while now. Drake sneakers. The Nike NOCTA Hot Step Air Terra. Yes, that is a long name, but it's for a reason. And I'll explain that to you in just a minute so you can thank me later. But these shoes released back in March of this year, 2022, both this black colorway and an all-white pair. It was an absolute mess trying to cop these on the NOCTA website the first time around, but the second time around it was pretty easy. And I appreciate not having to take my chances on the sneakers app release of these sneakers because anything sneakers app related, it's gonna be an L for me. Drake shoes released for $180 US, maybe even cheap for Drake's shoes, but sneakers are just expensive overall. This is kind of just like a standard price, and of course people are still gonna buy it because it's Drake. However, people have actually been kind of split on the NOCTA Hot Step Air Terra. Jeez, that is a long name. Some people love them. Some people think that they look like K-Swiss. I think they're kind of built like the original Burger King chicken sandwich. But hate them or love them, people are still buying them. Now let's check out the features of the Nike NOCTA Hot Step Air Terra and see why. We have some smooth tumbled leather going all around the base, and that is all black on this pair. There's some tonal stitching along the sides as well. And you also have some views of a reflective layer right underneath that tumbled leather. On that lateral side toward the back, you do have a chrome Nike logo, if that kind of thing matters to you. Black laces on my cardigan. But yeah, there's black laces in this pair, and at the tip of the tongue you can see that NOCTA logo. Another Nike logo there right below the laces. You get a cool callback to the Nike Air Terra Humara 1999. The midsole / sole design is taken from that sneaker, as well as the design on the rear. I think they did a great job of providing an evolution to that concept. You have Zoom air cushioning at the sneaker's forefoot, and you also have an air sole unit in the back. And on the medial side, you have a barrage of Nike logos. It's just beautiful. Not necessarily the shoe, but knowing that Drake got a sneaker deal and didn't break a sweat. No, I actually dig these though, and the price is a lot lower on resale this time around because of that re-release. Flipping these over to the outsole, you have some really cool textures going on here. There's like some black pyramids that stick up from the sole. You also have some CL, which would be certified lover, I guess, and some G-Tech branding on there. There's also this cool blue accent color, has some spikes here toward the rear, and I'm always into the Reebok Questions that have this sort of blue deodorant kind of look, and I think here on the Air Terra they kind of have the same thing going on. Not just any deodorant though, it's kind of like Old Spice-ish, if you will. Anyway, we've seen the features of the Nike NOCTA Hot Step Air Terra. Now let's throw these on feet and see how they feel.
Yeah, pick up yourself. There's money on the floor, can't pick up myself. All blue velour like Diddy himself. Kick in the door like, did he need help? But it's no biggie, little biggie in the belt. Looking for a little bitty, some thicky in here. No, one of my boys brought the blicky in here. Just in case it get a little sticky in here. I'm well aware, cause well I got to be. Or get beat down like a pinata beat. Drum me produce, figured I got to speak. Cause the beat beat like a beat ought to be. OD, that's what they call me. OG, one day you'll all see. Roll deep, roll with a squad G.
I don't have the best luck copying Nike sneakers, not the hype ones anyway. So it is always cool when you are able to get your hands on a pair of Nikes. The Hot Step Air Terra feels good. It's a cozy trainer and very versatile due to its obtuse build. It definitely has the dad shoe vibe going on. The build is similar to your Yeezy 700. You can hit the gym in these, you can hit the club in these, meetings, trips that you plan for the next few weeks. You have a sneaker here that is pretty much good for anything. And I specifically like this pair because they're black. You don't have to worry too much about getting them dirty. It's an affordable Drake shoe that you can wear wherever you want. What a time to be alive. In regard to the sizing for the Hot Step Air Terra, I went with my natural US size 11, and these have a solid fit. They're comfortable, you can feel the quality in them. Of course, I haven't broken them in yet, so it is a little bit more on the stiff side, but that will of course change once I put some actual miles in. Someone with a wider foot might want to go up a half size so that they have a little extra room in this shoe. We buy shoes to wear them, some of us anyway, so you want to make sure that you're comfortable when you're wearing your sneakers. So if you do have a wider foot, again, it might be best to go up a half size at least. I'm really excited for that black pair that has the yellow portion on the midsole. I don't know if it's like a tribute to Kobe Bryant, but we had seen that a while ago and it just hasn't come out. Anyone from Nike, if you're reading this or watching this, please give that shoe a release date. But yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think of the Nike NOCTA Hot Step Air Terra. Are you feeling these? Do you think they look like K-Swiss sneakers, and who actually grabbed a pair? Let me know all of that below in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up to date with all the weird things I do on here, and specifically with more sneaker updates. Leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment more life. All right, it's been real, guys. Take care.